Daddy, can you hear me loud and clear?
Whoa! Yes, Captain Loudspeaker, Daddy can hear you. What's going on, my little monkey?
I'm waiting for you. Where are you?
Daddy's at work, sweetheart.
Work again. Work is bad. Baby is good. Come home now.
But baby, if Daddy doesn't work, who will buy all your toys?
You don't need money, Daddy. Just take car keys, drive home, and bring toy. Easy.
Oh, really? And where will I get the toy from?
From Mama. Mama has money. Take from her.
So Mama is the boss, huh?
Mama boss. Baby big boss. Daddy small boss.
Oh, no. Poor Daddy. No power in this house.
Okay, Daddy. Come fast. My eyes are sleepy.
Promise, champ. I'll be home soon.
Okay, Daddy. I love you more than ice cream.
Whoa, that's a lot of love. I love you too, my funny little boss.